In this video, I'm just going to show you how I use the color theory to shoot amazing portraits. So before we start, if you're new on this channel, my name is Eustace, and if you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe and smash that bell icon so that when I put up my next video, you will be notified. Let's do this. So I use the color theory to help me decide upon the colors to use when I'm shooting my portraits. And I use the Adobe color wheel to see what colors plays nicely together. Let's take this session as an example. The first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to identify the dominant color, and by looking at my model's outfit, I know that red is a dominant color. So I'm going to use the Adobe color wheel to see what colors plays nicely with the red color. And since I want this session to be simple and less complicated, I'm going to use the complementary color harmony, one of my favorite color harmony. According to the color wheel, green will play nice with red. So I'm going to pick green as my secondary color, which I'm going to use as my background color. So now let's talk about the lighting. I'm using the AD600 in a 34-inch softbox as my main light, one AD200 in a 7-inch standard reflector, and a green color gel from MagMod as my background light. Another AD200 in a 24-inch softbox as my rim light. I'm using the Sony A7III and the Zeiss 55mm lens. So I'm going to kill all the ambient light. I'm going to set my shutter speed at 1/250th, ISO 250, f7.1. My main power output is at 1/4, my rim light power output is at 1/16th, my background light power output is at 1/32. I'm going to take a photo with just my background light. And then I'm going to take a photo with my rim light. And then I'm going to take a photo with my main light. And then we are going to combine all the three lights, and then we're going to take a few shots. Okay, so the light is coming from this side. Make sure, yeah. Okay. Okay, so the light is coming from this side. So make sure your face is this side. Yeah, not this side. Okay, let's see. Okay, chin up. Yeah, that's the one. Now try to look. Let's see. Here. Here. Okay. Okay. Keep going. Nice. Okay, keep going. Try to look this side. Okay. Okay. Keep going. Okay. 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 So let me show you a trick. When you're looking this side, so make sure don't just take your eyes this side. Even just a bit like that. Yeah. Not just the eyes. Like, yeah. So even your just a bit like that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that one's perfect. Okay. Okay. I think, let's see, you've moved back. Yeah. You moved back. Let's see, just move back again. Closer. Closer to the light. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe and smash that bell icon so that when I put up my next video, you will be notified. And if you want to level up your retouching skills, you should check out my retouching actions pack. The link will be in the description below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.